Hello everybody, today we are going see best export settings to upload photos on Instagram. You guys must have come across these problems. Why does the color of the image changes after I upload it to Instagram? Problems in cropping the images? Why does the image quality reduces? So let's get started. Click on the Create New. You will get this dialog box. Go to Web Large. Or you can directly edit it on preset details. I am going to rename it as Instagram. Make sure the orientation is portrait. And width is 1080 pixels. Uncheck the artboards. I am going to make the background transparent. Here comes the solution to our first question. Just select sRGB from color profile so that the color won't change in the later part. So width and the color profile are the two important things. Here we are. I am going to zoom it to 40%. And drop a raw image. Go to Image from menu bar. Image size. Check if the image is 1080 pixels. And link box is checked. Select the crop tool. This is an Instagram article, so as I said previously, width should be 320 to 1080 pixels. I took 1080 pixels because most of the images have resolution more than 1080. So I took the maximum width. And the aspect ratio to crop is in between 1.91:1 up to 4:5. 4:5 is for portrait. And 1.91:1 is for landscape. Let's see it on the Photoshop. Select that 4:5. The solution for the second question, we are cropping the image so that we don't see any problem while uploading. Most of you will be constantly uploading photos on Instagram after you edit it on Photoshop. Here is a way to make presets. Go to drop down. New crop presets. I am going to rename as portrait. Now I am going to change the values to 1.91:1. And make one more preset. That is landscape. Next time you don't have to remember the crop ratio. Just select these presets and you are good to go. Coming to Instagram interface. Before it was normal mode. But nowadays people are using dark mode. So to match up with a background, you can right-click. Select black. Or take white from custom color. Otherwise, there is a cool template which gives you a correct matching background for the images. Let's bring the new PSD file in the new tab. You can download it from the link in the description below. So here you can see Instagram template, portrait and landscape. For both normal and dark mode. I will be using first template. Now go to the image tab. Select the layer. Go to select and click on all. The image gets selected. Then go to edit. Copy merged. Now go to next tab. Here you have to paste it by going to the edit and click on paste. Place the image on top of the black section. Now I am going to load presets and adjust my image. If your image is ready, you can skip this part and directly jump to 5 minutes 31 seconds. Select the image layer and make a duplicate layer by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl-J. You got the duplicate layer. Let's rename this as raw. Then select the duplicate layer. Go to Filter. Camera Raw Filter. Here you can tweak your image as you wish. But I am going to add my personal preset. For that, click on Load Settings. And open up the preset or the LUT file. I am going to decrease the exposure in black little bit. Let's adjust the curves. Now I am going to merge these two layers and rename this as final. Now it's time to export. Do not to go to File, Export, Export as. No, this is not a right method. Select the image layer. Right-click. Export as. Change the format to JPG so we have seen the images loses its quality after you upload it to Instagram. Here is the reason. If the image size is large, Instagram uses its algorithm and compresses the image. So you have to change the quality here. I am going to keep it as 80%. Again, recheck for width size and ensure that convert to sRGB is checked and save it. Here I am going to tell you guys how to upload images directly from your computer. Right-click. Go to Inspect. Or the shortcut key is Ctrl-Shift. I now select that toggle device toolbar. Make sure it turns black to blue. And refresh your page. Now you have the mobile version of the Instagram. Click on the plus bar and select the image. And you can share your amazing photos on Instagram. Thank you.